Tiny Tinkle's Little Musician Series presents Let's Play C. Where is Chloe Cat's favorite note? Right before the two black keys. Can you find your two black keys? Now right before them is C. 1, 2, ready, go. Clap, clap, shh, shh, clap, clap, shh, shh, clap, clap, shh, shh, clap, clap, shh, shh. Wow, that was amazing! New pattern. 1, 2, ready, go. Clap, 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 clap. Wow, that was amazing. 1, 2, ready, go. Clap, 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 shh, clap, 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 shh, clap, 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 shh, clap, clap, clap. Fine, the end.